Hello everyone, welcome to Carnivorous Plants Hub. Today I'm excited to unbox this amazing cultivar that I purchased from Matt Miller over at FlyTrapStore.com. After it's unboxed, we're going to do a quick repotting so you can see what it looks like from bare root to fully potted up. We're going to play a little game this time. I'm going to unbox the Flytrap and I want to see if you can guess the cultivar. Drop the name of the cultivar in the comments as soon as you know. Skip the comments if you don't want to be spoiled. At the end of the video, I'll reveal the cultivar. As always, Flytrap Store sent the Flytrap out quickly, and it was only in the mail a couple of days before it arrived, which is nice since it's starting to get a little bit cold outside. Flytrap Store always includes a nice care sheet with all their plants, which is very beneficial, especially for beginners. I ordered this Flytrap bare root. They actually taped the plant to the box, which is an extreme pain for me, but it's great for the plant in transit. It means the plant won't be bouncing around a lot. It's a good way to ship these bare root plants. It's a little bit of a pain to pull them off of the box, but it's worth it to make sure that the plant arrives safe. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the Flytrap out and see if you can guess which cultivar it is. This is a young-sized plant, but will end up being a larger cultivar with larger traps. It has large green and sometimes red traps that typically have these really long cilia or lashes. The cilia can vary between this bright red color or even sometimes they come out really white. Some of the red cilia will have these really white tips at the end, which can actually help you identify this cultivar if you know what you're looking for. Another tip for longtime subscribers is that I've bought this cultivar from Flytrap Store before and even did an unboxing video. I lost it to crown rot during dormancy one year and also documented that tragedy on video as well. It was an extremely sad moment for me, which is why I had to get another one. This really is an amazing cultivar and has always been one of my absolute favorites. Okay, I'm gonna pot it up real quick before I reveal. Don't worry, this isn't a repotting video. We're just gonna run through it real quick. It should be done in a minute or two. We just have to prepare the soil. And while I'm potting up this cultivar, I just wanted to thank you for being here. Make sure to pour some water on the like button and subscribe to help my channel grow. And if you haven't already, head on over to carnivorousplanthub.com. I'm selling my premium homemade substrate. It comes in kits with planters so you can take all the guesswork out of your next repot. Every kit comes with enough soil to fill the planters included, with some always left over. Okay, now the planter is prepped and it's ready to go. Let's get the hole ready and get this cultivar potted up. You can see the really healthy roots here, which is always a really good sign. One thing I strongly encourage people to do when they buy plants online is to always judge the plant by its roots and its rhizome and not its existing traps, especially if you bought it bare root. Often the existing traps have a hard time acclimating to new conditions, but healthy rhizomes and roots will ensure that the new growth comes up strong and healthy. It's even more encouraged this time of year when plants are either entering or are currently in dormancy. Oftentimes they will arrive with traps that look a little more shabby than you would see during mid-growing season. Now we just got to give it a nice top watering to finish the process. Make sure to snug up that substrate back to the rhizome after top watering, as it tends to settle a little bit. Now for the reveal. Today's cultivar is the SD Kronos. If you guessed it, nice job. If not, now you know. If you're interested in learning how to repot a Venus flytrap, I have a video that shows you exactly how to do that step by step. It should be popping up on the screen for you right now. Thanks for stopping by today. I really hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.